How the heck did y'all get in the trunk? Anyways, what's going on, guys? T-Tor is back here for another video. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a lot of explaining. So if many of you all know, my car's up for sale. I did think that, or I thought that I had a buyer lined up, so that's why I haven't really posted in a while. So, but that kind of fell through. So in the meantime, you know, for the new buyer, I went ahead and put new badges on the car. The other ones were disgusting. So, and one of the reasons I haven't uploaded in a while, like I said, was because I thought the car was sold, and so I didn't want to put any more miles on it. I didn't really want to drive it anymore. Just want to let it be. And then, you know, once I went and picked up the guy from the airport, he could see the car for the first time in great condition because it's been raining a lot. Didn't want the car to get dirty, none of that stuff, etc. All right, so with all that being said, it's unfortunate that everything fell through with the buyer, but you know, it's all right. So, like I said, I thought I had the car sold. I just wanted to leave the car as is and let it be. But you know, everything happens for a reason, and yeah, it just fell through. So the car is back on the market for sale. I have it listed for $21,000. Car's going to be sold as is. Big turbo kit. You know, everything that's done in this car has been documented on my YouTube channel. I'm also going to throw in the factory wheels. I don't know how much those are worth, maybe $400 or $500. So since I thought the car is being sold, I went ahead and sold the factory turbo to another guy who is building an awesome Honda Fit with the same 1.5 liter engine with the factory turbo from my car. He's looking to make like, I don't know, 300 something horsepower. So that's kind of cool that I was able to contribute in that way to sell the turbo to him. I had no intentions on, you know, turning the car back to stock, but that's just how it worked out. So I'm excited to follow that build and see what that Honda Fit's going to do with my my factory turbo off this car. All right, so one of the other reasons why I'm making this video is, you know, bad news, car wasn't being sold, but the good news is I'm going to start selling merchandise, and I wanted your guys' opinion. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I started a poll, and then there's 2 logos that I have designed by a good friend of mine, and the first one's going to be right here on the screen. There's one. Okay, take a look at that, and then there's another one over here. It's the second one. I like both of them equally, so I need your guys' opinions and advice. You know, nothing's set in stone with color and stuff like that, but like I said, I like both of them. And some of the things that I've read off of Facebook is that people really like the one on the left, but they want to change the colors. Some of them really like the ones on the right. And then ever since I hit about 10K subscribers, people always ask me like, hey, do you have any merch? Do you have a sticker you could sell, a lanyard, or you know, a jet tag? And no, I never really sat down and put forth the effort. So like I said, I'm working with a buddy of mine. We're going to design a logo and brand it for myself. And a lot of people are like, hey, I want to be able to support your channels and your builds. I love your content. You've helped me so much in this area, save money. I was able to teach my son how to do this. You know, we just love watching your videos, and we wanted a way to be able to contribute back. So I'm going to start with getting a brand logo for my channel, for my name, and then I'm going to start off slow, selling stickers, and then gradually the goal is to move up to, you know, t-shirts, stuff like that. And then different seasons of the year and different builds that I have, I want to, you know, have merchandise to sell for that, because, you know, I've had many cars on this channel. I know a lot of you came for the 10th gen, but also had my 9th gen. I had a Focus ST, and I have this 10th gen, and I also have my truck. And so yeah, I want to be able to, you know, help offset some costs on doing things to my car and my truck. Now, with that being said, I know some of you all may be here for the car, some of you all may be here for the truck. So a lot of things are to come for the truck. We got to do the EGR delete. We got to do the cold side piping for it. We got the up pipe to do. We have the EGT probe we got to do. We have the Y bridge we got to do. There's still a lot of things to do on the truck. I got to finish the sump. I'm about to do a big brake kit for the truck. Then eventually I'm going to move into tearing down all the suspension and steering, get that how I want it, and then we're going to do wheels and tires. So there's a lot of content to come. It's just me lining up with people's schedules, needing help doing this and that. You know, some stuff, I'm not an expert on some of that truck stuff. So I have really, really good friends that, you know, are diesel mechanics and have quite a bit of knowledge. So I'm working at their mercy and their schedule. But for the topic of this video, the car is up for sale again. I'm willing to also give somebody $500 if they can find me a buyer. If I 100% sell the car to that person and it's gone out of my name and out of the driveway, I will personally send you $500 via Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, wire transfer, however you want. So I'm just gonna throw that out there. If you help sell this car, I will give you $500. But the exciting news, like I said, I want to get a brand logo for the channel and start selling it. So let me know down in the comments what you would, which logo you like to see. And also, if you don't, my Instagram is down in the description, and along with my Facebook, go vote on there which logo you like better. Like I said, I like both of them equally. But yeah, sorry I've been absent for a while. Like I said, I thought I had the car lined up to being sold. I was gonna make a whole vlog about, you know, going and picking him up from the airport, driving to see the car for the first time, him driving off in the car, etc. So that was gonna be anywhere between 2 or 3 videos. And like I said, that fell through, but I know this car is gonna have to be sold to the right person that wants, you know, wants this specific build. And I know it's gonna take a while, and that's gonna also like offset a bunch of stuff as far as when it comes to wanting to get the next project started, but that's no big deal. I'll be patient and wait, although I'm like itching to get my new build started. But that, like I said, you know, everything happens for a reason. Most of you all think you know what the next car is gonna be. Some of you are right, some of you are wrong. Like I said, with that being said, the car is still for sale. I'm gonna go over a little bit of what's done to this car, just in case this is the first time that you are seeing this video, and you may have somebody who is interested in buying this car. Let me get you set up on the stand real quick. All right, so first off, let me take you under the hood. As you can see, I do have the PRL Big Turbo Kit 2860R. Yeah, I freaking love this car. It's very, very fun to drive. Strut tower bars done, Type R emblems. I got the smoked LED side markers, or excuse me, not LED side markers, just smoked side markers. Big brake kit. As you can see there, we got slaughter rotors with EBC yellow stuff. Has a set of Valco wheels. Mirror caps are wrapped black, roofs wrapped black, antennas black, trunks black, spoilers black, and then one of my probably favorite parts is the rear of the car. I have the smoke tail lights from Boosted Autos, or from Boosted Whips, and MA Performance exhaust. I have downpipe, front pipe. That's also all catless. And then we come into the interior. As you can see here, we have Jets vinyl door seals. Same for in the rear. Honestly, don't think, like, this door is still hard to open. I think I might have had a total of maybe 4 or 5 people to ever sit in the back of the car. And then as you notice right off the bat, we have the Type R steering wheel. We have the Acuity short shifter in there, fully adjustable. I have it adjusted how I like it. You can also take that apart and adjust how you want to. And then we have the shift boot from D-Boy Shifts. And that's pretty much, there is so much stuff done in this car. LED headlights, LED fog lights. There is a lot of stuff that I'm missing out. But like I said, with all that being said, please, I do want your guys' honest feedback about the logos and the branding. Which one is your favorite? And would you support me with, you know, trying to launch that and, you know, trying to make a brand for myself. Yeah, so if you have any questions about the car, Cars for Sale on Facebook, Marketplace, and like I said, if you are serious about buying the car, shoot me an email, DM me, message me on Facebook. It sucks that the sale fell through, but if you find me a buyer, I'll give you $500. And yeah, so hopefully we can make this successful with the brand logo and whatchamacallit, so I can start selling merchandise. It's something that I've wanted to do for a while. I just didn't know really where to start, so I'm glad I got in contact with a friend who's a graphic designer and just so happened to work with him, so that's freaking awesome. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you comment down below which logo or design you like the most, and then I'll start finding, you know, fine combing exactly how I want it to look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.
Back to my pulse flat, we keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black, got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so